Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the LooksMax AI and the overview. So let's get started. So here I will just open my LooksMax AI at here. Okay. So using it is very easy. Basically, this app is for your face. You will just scan or upload the photo of your face, about like 2 to 6 photo. Then it will scan your face and it will like find the problems where your problems in your face are, and they will tell you the solution as well. So you can just scan your face and you can get the result by here. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. So you can just click on upload photo, and from here you can just upload from your library, and from here by this way you can do it. So it is very easy way, and I like it. I give this app like a 5-star rating, and it's very good app. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.